Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to refer a friend at connect.dataczar.com. So go to dataczar.com, we're going to click Login, and we're logged in. That takes us to Dashboard on the main menu. And to refer a friend, you're actually going to go to the Billing button, but quickly, let's go to the Website button. And this is our website we're working with this tutorial. Let's just take a quick look at it. And we created this post here, how to refer a friend. And what we have is we have the reasons. You like Dataczar, you want to help out a friend, acquaintance, coworker, or family member on getting their own website, or you like the idea of receiving a $10 credit and your friend also receiving a $10 credit. These are the written steps we're going to go over with in just a moment. And then also, I just want to point out, when you refer a friend, you send them a referral code as the referrer, and then they, in turn, receive their own referral code as the referee, and this allows you each to get the $10 credit. And for the written instructions, if you're looking for these, if you're watching the tutorial from our help site, you'll see them underneath the tutorial. So go to help.dataczar.com, and you'll find this tutorial underneath, or the written instructions under the tutorial. So let's tab back over. And so it's really simple to refer a friend. You're going to go to the Billing button on the main menu. We started on Dashboard. We're going to go to the Billing button. And we have a lot of stuff going on with our website here. We have a couple domains, couple email boxes. We have a shopping cart website. By the way, you can create if you do e-commerce, you can, I will show you that at the end. You can create a shopping cart website. But what you do is you go to the Billing button, you click on the referrals right here. And you have two options. You can give them this link here, which takes them to connect.dataczar.com. Or you can give them this link here. It takes them to Dataczar.com. If they go here, they end up here. So either one works. They're both great. You just copy the link into your clipboard. So copy it like that. Press copy link. And then you simply text or email it to them. That's pretty much it. But I'm going to show you a couple other things while we're at it. So let's go out of full screen. And let's go to a guest site, and let's go ahead and paste that in. So this is the link they would get. They would paste it in, and then that would take them here. So it takes them to sign up. So, they would sign up, Stefan Referral, and they put their email address here. And we'll do this quickly. Password. And again. And I'm not a robot. This is the referral code that you gave them. That's your referral code. Not a robot. Traffic lights. Verify. And register. Okay, phone number. And we're going to send myself a text message. Get the confirmation code. Is 1024. Confirm. Okay, so this is what they do. They set up an account, and then they go in and they fill out this information, and they go to the domains button. They create the domain, and then when they go to their billing button, they're going to go. You can go to referrals, and they'll see that they were referred by you, and then. So that's pretty much that. Let's go ahead and get out of here. And we'll go back to where we were. And let's go back to So we're back on our account now. Go back to the billing button and we'll refresh. And back to referrals. And then it shows here, this is, I referred Stefan referral here. So anyway, you both get the referral code, you both get the $10 credit. That's pretty much it. The other thing is that I wanted to show you is the help button right here. Make sure you visit our help center. And if you're looking for the written instructions to this tutorial, you'll probably find them under account help. If you go to the website help button, there's lots of information, including how to add a shopping cart website, how to set up your shopping cart website. So if you're interested in doing e-commerce, that's really a big help. Let's go back to Connect, back to Dashboard, and that's it. That's how to refer a friend with Dataczar Connect.